Hey everybody, how you doing today? So this is the Zephyrus G14, and I'm gonna test today the sound of the keyboard, like from a first-person perspective, like from this side. And the microphone now shooting this way. It's been focused to be shooting this way. So I'm actually going to zoom in because this is the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. So when you zoom in to 5x, it's gonna enable the zoom microphone, and you can hear the sound from deep close. But now I'm gonna type in. I want you to hear the sound as from first person perspective. Alright, so it's pretty quiet actually, in a quiet room. If there is noise, actually, you're not gonna be able to hear anything. Now let's just zoom to 5x. Alright, so we are zooming here, and I'm not sure if it's gonna focus on my hand. It doesn't matter because we're gonna type in the sound. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see, the space bar does have a little bit of clicky sound than other keys, and probably this is because, I don't know, maybe it's by design or something else, but it's the space bar that has the most sound comes out of it. So other than that, the laptop is pretty good. 16:9. I'm gonna show you another video using the 16:9 aspect ratio, like if you want to do some work and stuff like that. And yeah, a lot of people ask me, is this like matte black as well? I would say it's like the Pixel 5a. This is the Pixel 5a. It's like a dark green. This is a dark light green. Like, it's not a dark black, no, but it's like a light camouflage. Not camouflage. What do you call that name? Navy. It's not navy, man. It's like greenish, light greenish color. Okay. So yeah, that's a beautiful. This is black. Okay, the keys are black, but this is not. Anyways, this is just a quick test video on the keyboard sound. Take care, everybody. See you another one.